Greetings from Tool Zone. Craving that satisfying feeling? You're in the right place. Watch how expert hands transform everyday tasks into stunning displays of precision. Time to enjoy some top-tier skill in action. Wow, check out that air pressure. It strips old paint off a car door in seconds. Powerful, fast, and super effective. Every princess must dream of a magical birthday cake like this one. It's straight out of a fairy tale. No commentary needed, just watch this expert turn everyday tasks into something that feels like pure magic. Squeezing under a low bridge isn't for the faint-hearted. You literally have to lie flat to make it through. It's a pulse-raising experience you won't soon forget. With that speed and precision, one question comes to mind. Is this a human or a robot, controlling a tool while bouncing a ball like it's nothing? This isn't just talent, it's actual wizardry. There's something awe-inspiring about watching a massive tree come down. It's like slow-motion drama, straight from an epic film. Breaking ice off walls looks cool, but can be risky. Safety barriers and warning signs are a must to keep bystanders out of harm's way. Transforming old tin cans into something new. That's not just recycling, it's creativity in action. Don't blink. A vacuum system is used to evenly distribute a black liquid into a metal object with a lattice texture. Right before your eyes, the straw-colored coconut turns green, and with a splash of purple, it transforms into something magical, shifting color depending on the light. Isn't it incredible how effortlessly he spray paints the door? One smooth sweep and the finish looks like it came straight from a factory line. A unique glazing technique is used on a bun. A heated soldering iron gently melts the glaze for a smooth finish. A truly gifted person can turn even simple materials into something extraordinary. Just look at how breathtaking that pattern turned out. This is high-level artistry in action. Cleaning a car interior, like in this video, isn't for the squeamish. Let your vehicle turn into an archaeological site, and no high-tech gadget is going to save it. A worker moving through plants with two long blades looks more like a ninja on a covert mission, but take a closer look. It's a true expert, harvesting with such sharp accuracy that even a samurai might be impressed. Calling all perfectionists, this one will satisfy your soul. Here's a simple yet creative idea for spicing up your wall decor. That's right, cars enjoy a good wash too, followed by a thorough drying session. Crown molding adds an elegant and regal touch to any room. Applying gold leaf is a meticulous and delicate art in itself. Writing neatly on paper is one thing, but composing text from loose spices, that's next level artistry. This guy handles a blade with such finesse, even seasoned calligraphers would be impressed. Honestly, he could have signed royal scrolls using nothing but cumin and cinnamon. This isn't just cleaning, it's a full teardown. Every screw, every part pulled apart for deep restoration. But the pros know what they're doing. Strip it down, clean it up, and get ready for the magic. Don't be too quick to toss your old sneakers. Sometimes with a little clever trick, they can outlast your brand new pair. Curious? There's one brilliantly simple way to bring them back to life. Incredible! This cooking technique isn't something you see every day. It's clear we're watching a true culinary artist at work, using food like a painter uses color. Leveling slopes for road construction isn't easy. You need compact powerhouses. Here, precision and scale must work hand in hand. Watch how swiftly the chef cuts ultra-thin noodles. It's almost hypnotic. This cooking machine is a real game changer. Just take a look at it in action. Who says acrobatics are only for the circus? These construction workers prove otherwise.